Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. This is Mr. TechFox and today in this video, I'm going to show you how to send zip files using Gmail on your PC. If this helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. First of all, compress your files into a zip archive. For example, I'm gonna compress this photo. So I'm clicking on it, normal right click, and then you have to choose send to. If you hover over on this, you will see another option, compressed. Click on that. And here you will see that a compressed file in zip has been created. Now we are going to send this using Gmail. So normally open your web browser and type on the address bar gmail.com. And then you have to click on this compose button. And now you have to provide the email address where you want to send this. So I am entering it. And after then you can provide a subject here. And then you have to click on this attach file icon. And from here, you have to select that file. Click on open. And normally click on this send button. That's it. But remember, Gmail allows attachments up to only 25 MB. If your zip file exceeds this limit, consider using Google Drive to share the file. On the other hand, Gmail may block certain file types even within zip files for security reasons. Ensure your zip file doesn't contain executable files or other restricted formats. And to ensure that, you can use a password on your zip file. And that's it. You have successfully sent a zip file through Gmail on your PC. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing to this channel. See you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.